Finding the right under-cabinet lighting can completely transform your kitchen. Whether you want brighter counters for prep work, a clean modern glow, or warm ambience during the evening, the right lighting makes all the difference. Today on Consumer Heaven, we're breaking down the 5 best under-cabinet lighting options that are easy to install, energy efficient, and perfect for elevating any kitchen. As always, all the product links are in the description below, so feel free to explore your favorite picks after the video. Let's get started. Number 1. Lead Ado Under-Cabinet Kitchen Lighting. The Lead Ado Under-Cabinet Lighting System is a fantastic upgrade for anyone who wants both premium functionality and beautiful ambience in the kitchen. What makes this one stand out is its 5 adjustable color temperatures. You can switch between soft white, 2700K, warm white, 3500K, bright neutral, 3500K, cool white, 4000K, and crisp daylight, 5000K. Whether you're prepping dinner or setting a relaxed evening mood, you get full control. It also includes a built-in 0 to 100% dimmer, so you don't need an in-wall dimmer switch. You can fine-tune brightness for chopping vegetables, washing dishes, or just enjoying soft nighttime lighting. Another big advantage is its modular design. You can connect multiple light bars, up to 300 watt, using the included 2-foot connectors, which is ideal for long counters or bigger kitchens. Installation gives you flexibility too. Choose a permanent hardwire setup or a simple plug-in option. The slim aluminum build keeps it sleek, while the anti-glare LEDs give you bright, soft, eye-friendly illumination. With a long 50,000-hour lifespan and 2 finish choices, white or bronze, Lead Ado delivers both durability and visual appeal. Overall, it's a reliable, stylish, and feature-rich system, perfect if you want customizable modern lighting that upgrades your kitchen instantly. Number 2. Ansun Under-Cabinet Kitchen Lighting 12-inch. Next up is the Ansun 12-inch under-cabinet LED, a great blend of practicality and premium design. Built from aluminum alloy and durable plastic, this compact 10-watt light produces over 660 lumens, giving you bright and consistent illumination. Its optical anti-glare design keeps light soft and comfortable while delivering excellent color accuracy with a CRI above 92, meaning your food and kitchen decor look more natural and vibrant. With 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 5000K, you can easily switch between warm, neutral, or daylight settings depending on your task. The dimming feature also gives you smooth control from 100% down to 5%, all through a simple built-in switch, no extra hardware needed. Installation is user-friendly. You can mount it directly under your cabinets or link multiple units using Romex cables, creating a seamless lighting setup across wider kitchen layouts. What's great about Ansun is its versatility. Beyond the kitchen, these lights work beautifully in bookcases, wine cabinets, closets, display shelves, hallways, and more. For homeowners who want clean light, accurate colors, and adaptable brightness, the Ansun Under-Cabinet LED is a smart, polished choice that fits into any modern home. Number 3. Asoko Under-Cabinet Kitchen Lighting. Asoko offers one of the most flexible and user-friendly lighting systems on the list. Each CAC includes 6 LED light bars, producing a total of 1,360 lumens, all in a clean 5000K daylight tone. The panels are flicker-free with no visible LED dots, perfect for cooking, reading recipes, or lighting shelves. The stepless dimming system allows you to adjust brightness from 10% to 100%, and the built-in memory function always returns to your last setting, a small detail that makes everyday cooking easier. Installation is where Asoko really shines. You get 3 mounting options: magnetic strips, 3M adhesive pads, and screw mounts. So whether you want a temporary stick-on solution or a permanent setup, Asoko makes it simple. The aluminum and plastic build is rust-resistant, while the frosted cover provides eye-friendly, evenly diffused light. It's also powered by a certified 24V plug for safe, stable performance. If you want a set that's bright, customizable, easy to install, and ideal for both kitchens and decorative spaces, Asoko is a dependable, high-value pick. Number 4. Ansun 18W Under-Cabinet Kitchen Lighting 24-inch. For those who need something more powerful, the Ansun 18W 24-inch model delivers over 1230 lumens, making it one of the brightest options on this list. Despite its brightness, the anti-glare optical design ensures comfortable viewing. With a CRI above 92, colors pop naturally, which is great for cooking or displaying countertop items. Like its smaller counterpart, this model includes 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, 5000K, smooth dimming from 5% to 100%, a built-in on-off switch, and optional linking with additional fixtures. Its versatility makes it suitable not just for kitchens, but also basements, garages, closets, wine cabinets, and large work areas where strong, even lighting is essential. The durable aluminum alloy body ensures longevity, while installation remains simple and flexible. If you want high brightness plus eye comfort plus adjustability, this Ansun model checks all the boxes. Number 5. LTTE Under Cabinet Kitchen Lighting. Finally, the LTTE Under Cabinet Lighting Kit is perfect for homeowners who want bright, customizable light with easy DIY installation. This system offers 31 watts of warm white brightness, ideal for large counters and deep workspaces. What makes LTTE special is its rotary dimmer, allowing smooth, stepless brightness control from 0% to 100%. It's intuitive, precise, and doesn't require a wall dimmer. The kit includes everything you need: modular light bars, adhesive pads, mounting clips, wire clips, extension cords. Setup is quick, even for beginners, and the system is expandable with extra light bars, motion sensors, or splitters. That makes this a great option for large kitchens, workshops, closets, or display shelving. Durable materials and eye-friendly illumination make LTTE a practical and long-lasting investment. If you want something bright, flexible, and customizable without hiring an electrician, LTTE is an excellent choice. And there you have it, 5 of the best under-cabinet lighting options that can instantly elevate your kitchen's style and functionality. Whether you want soft ambiance, task lighting for meal prep, or a full kitchen glow-up, there's a perfect match on this list. All the product links are down below, so feel free to explore your favorite picks. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and tap the bell icon so you never missed our latest home and kitchen upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.